Unlock the full potential of your Nikon D5600 by learning how to seamlessly connect it to your computer for effortless file transfers and powerful remote control. First, gather your essential tools: your Nikon D5600 camera and the USB cable that came with it. You'll also need your computer, whether it's a Windows PC or a Mac, and a stable internet connection. Head over to your web browser and navigate to the official Nikon support website. In the search bar, type in Nikon D5600 to find the specific support page for your camera model. Once you're on the D5600 support page, locate the drivers or software section. You'll need to find and download the appropriate drivers for your operating system. Make sure you select the right version for your Windows or Mac OS. After the download is complete, find the downloaded file on your computer. It will likely be an installer file, often ending with X for Windows or DMG for Mac. Double-click on the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts. Most installers are straightforward, guiding you through accepting license agreements and choosing installation locations. Click Next or Continue as the installer progresses. It might take a few moments for the drivers to install properly. Avoid interrupting this process to ensure a successful installation. Once the installation is finished, you might be prompted to restart your computer. It's a good practice to do so to allow all the new drivers to be recognized and load correctly. With the drivers installed and your computer restarted, you can now connect your Nikon D5600. Your computer should now recognize your camera, allowing you to transfer photos and videos effortlessly, and even control certain camera functions through Nikon software.